Hi there. Today I'm gonna show you guys making my version of black bean sauce noodles. My mom always make them, and I really like them, so I can change up the recipe some. So I have one whole onion. I chopped up some zucchini and cabbage, black bean, and black bean sauce, and a little chili here too. Um, she used like pork, but I'm gonna use chicken today. So I'm gonna chop a little chili up. I chop kind of little squares of the cabbage. I have some chicken thigh already pre-cut, and I chop a couple of little squares as well. Now this is the second step, so I'm gonna cook up all the vegetable first with some olive oil. Chili pepper. I'm gonna let it heat up. Black bean goes in. Chicken goes in. Oh, that's spicy. Oh my goodness. Onion goes in now. Zucchini goes in now. Here's the sweet bean sauce. Water. Now I cover and turn it down. So it's been boiling a few minutes now. It looks like this until it cook, until all the vegetables cook. So give me another few minutes, okay? We'll be right back. All right, guys. So it's been cooking about 5 minutes. The vegetable look like cooked down, and I got some cornstarch mixed with water. I'm gonna thicken the sauce up. It smells so good. I know my version is a little different. Everybody have their own kind of recipe stuff. My mom makes differently, like I said at the beginning, but I like the way I make it. So the sauce is thickening up. I'm gonna cook some noodle and I'll be right back. All right, we're back, and I put the sauce in here. I made some noodle, just Chinese noodle. I can show you the package, what noodle I use. Here's the noodle, and I boil like it's the instruction on the back. So I prefer use fresh noodle, but this is what I have today. So I'm gonna put sauce on top. You can mix in the pans as well, but I just can mix in both. It smells so real good. It's really hot. And now I'm gonna get my husband to taste this, okay? I'll be right back.
So as much as I like to cook, I think this is my favorite role. I like to eat too, which I'm sure you can all see. Anyway, my wife made these noodles. Let's see how they are. It smells really good. I was joking, it should be smell-o-vision. I'm gonna cheat, I'm gonna get another bite. Those are awesome. Yeah,
Do you like
good.
it?
I do. 2
thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
Thank you for watching. If you guys need want me to make something special, please have it on the comment, and please subscribe or like if you like the video. See you tomorrow.